Arthur's point of view. When Yoongi reached at his home, he found Jimin was taking shower and he spread all the hair care products on the floor and on his hairs too. He washed his hair. He got so angry, but his little chimney didn't let him stay angry for more time. Soon his all the anger got vanished. Jimin melted him. They both took the shower together. While taking shower, Yoongi got wet dream of Jimin. In his dream, Jimin went wild and took a step and kissed him. He couldn't kiss him properly, but at least tried. Yoongi kissed him properly and taught him too. They both were involved in it. Just then, Jimin shook him, and his most precious dream broke. He couldn't believe that he got wet dreams of his super innocent husband. Yoongi cleaned all the mess and went to Jimin, who was sitting completely turning himself in the turtle. Yoongi turned to the room heater and started drying Jimin's hair, but Jimin became super naughty. He didn't let Yoongi to do his work properly. Yoongi got super mad. Let's see what happens next. Yoongi, you little Jimmy, aren't you becoming brat day by day? Jimin giggles. No ways. I'm not brat. I'm very innocent. See, immediately pulled a super innocent face. Yoongi looked at him. You an innocent? Can't possible. You learned so many bad things. Now you deserve some punishments. Jimin, no ways, I'm a good boy and good boys don't deserve requested punishment. As much as I hate spankings, you all love it. Now enjoy it. But before he could complete his sentence, Yoongi spanked him. Not hard, not soft, it was medium. Jimin can easily bear it. Yoongi again spanked him. Repeat your words. Jimin, why are you spanking me? I didn't do anything wrong. Pout. Yoongi, you didn't do anything wrong, huh? Wait, let me tell you your mistakes. When I told you to not create any mess, then also you created, spanked. You poured 6 hair care products in your hairs which can lead you any serious allergy. You didn't let me dry your hairs. You create problem for me. Hardly spanked him. Jimin started rubbing his bottom. Wee, it hurts. I told you na, it wasn't my mistake. And when did I create problem for you? Yoongi spanked him. You did. I just can't explain to you. Jimin, wee, no more spankings, please. It hurts na. How can you hurt your one and only kid? Yoongi, my one and only kid. Wait, let me show you how much I treat my one and only kid. Started tickling him. Jimin, while laughing hard, no, please, Yoon, I'm so sorry. Yoongi, while tickling, no more sorry. Now tell me, will you ever create problem for me? Jimin, I don't do anything purposely. It happens automatically. Yoongi, you. Doorbell rang. Jimin, who came at this time? Yoongi, wait, let me check. You go and cover yourself. Jimin, okay. With that, Yoongi went to open the door and Jimin quickly covered himself with a blanket and again became a turtle. After few minutes, he came back with their food. Yoongi smiled to see Jimin, who was covered himself under the blanket. Yoongi smiled. What's this? Jimin, you told me not to cover myself. Yoongi, I told you to cover yourself, not to become turtle. Now come out. Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, I'm more comfortable like this. Yoongi, okay then, I will eat all the food by myself. That's it. Yoongi pushed his weak point. Hearing food's name, he peeked his head a little out from the blanket. Jimin, food, licked his lips. Yoongi, food, opened the lid of the dish and quickly closed it. But it's okay. If you don't wanna eat it, I will finish it by myself. You enjoy your blanket. Jimin quickly came outside from the blanket. No, 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 I also want food. Who said I don't want it? I'm so hungry. Yoongi, sorry, now you can't eat this. Jimin, why can't I? Yoongi, because it's here's rule. If anyone say no to food, then he or she can't eat it again. Jimin looked at him with big two eyes. Really? Yoongi, really? Why would I lie to you? See, here it is written. Showed him menu. Jimin looked at menu. Where is it written? Yoongi pointed on some random lines. Here. Jimin, but how did they know I denied it? Here is no one except us. Yoongi, I will tell them. Jimin, widened eyes. Wait! Why would you say this to them? Please don't say them anything. I'm so hungry na. Please. Yoongi, you want me to lie? You know na, I hate lies. Jimin, when did I say you to lie? I'm saying to not say anything. Can't you stay quiet for your super innocent one and only kid? Yoongi, super innocent? Forget about it, kid. Jimin swings Yoongi's right arm. Please na, for my small tummy's sake. Yoongi badly wanna laugh but controlled himself. No, I can't break here's rule, and moreover, you disrespect the food. Jimin, see, I disrespect the food now, so I will apologize to them. Wait, immediately went to food trolley and sat on his knees and booed. Food, I'm really sorry for disrespecting you, although I didn't mean it. When you told me to come out, I didn't know that he is calling me for you. Please forgive me, na. I don't know here's rules, otherwise I will never dare to respect you. Please forgive me once and allow me to eat you, please. He was sincerely apologizing. Yoongi couldn't control on himself and burst into laughter. Yoongi burst into laughter. OMG, Jimin, you are so innocent. I can't breathe. Jimin innocently looked at him. It was the first time when he saw Yoongi like this. Yoongi wasn't smiling, he was laughing his lungs out. Jimin was mesmerized to see Yoongi's gummy smile. He saw his anger so many times but never see his smiling and laughing. He was looking at him without blinking his eyes. He was so happy to see Yoongi like this. But he is still so confused. Dad thought, why is Yoongi laughing like this? Jimin, confused face. Yoon, why are you laughing like this? Did you remember any joke? Yoongi tried hard to control his laugh. No, just look at you. Jimin looked himself in mirror. Me? Nothing happened to me. I'm fine, but why were you laughing? Yoongi, oh, you really didn't understand anything. I was only kidding. And you started apologizing to food. You don't even have common sense. Jimin, what? I thought it's here's rule because I don't know anything, but you are making fun of me. You're so mean. I will not talk to you. Went to the corner and stick on the wall. Yoongi looked at him. Ash, my angry bird. Come here. What are you doing there? From since you become lizard. Come here fast. Jimin shouts. I will not talk to you. Yoongi, you little Jimny, come here fast, otherwise I will come there. Jimin shouts back. Jimny is angry. Jimny won't come to you, Mini Uni. Yoongi to himself, he won't listen to me. My little Jimny becomes stubborn day by day. I have to take him here, otherwise he will stay there like a lizard. With that, he went there and picked him in his arms and started walking towards their bed. Jimin was shouting and wiggling in his arms. Jimin shouts and wiggling. Ah, where are you taking me? I told you na, I won't talk to you. Yoongi, my poor ears. Mark my word, you will definitely make me deaf one day. He gently dropped Jimin on the bed, but he immediately turned around. I found no difference, did you? Yoongi looked at him. Now what's this? Jimin, I told you na, I don't talk to you. I'm angry. Yoongi, now I have seriously doubt who has anger issues, me or you. I think my anger issues transferred to you. Jimin, I won't talk to you. Yoongi, I know your cassette again is stuck at this sentence. Okay, fine, don't talk to me. Have your dinner, okay? Now turn around. Jimin stubbornly, no, I won't. Yoongi opened the lid of the dish and food's aroma spread in the room. Jimin's mouth filled with water. He desperately wanna eat the food, but he's too stubborn. Yoongi forcefully fed him 1 spoon soup, and that's it for him. He immediately turned around to see the food. He forgot that he was angry. Our Jim doesn't know how to get angry. We have to teach him. Yoongi, how's it? Jimin, yummy. What's this? Yoongi, it's fish soup. Jimin, oh, I never drink any fish soup before. Yoongi, because here's weather is too cold and we need to warm our body, and fish soup is the best source of energy. It will give you body warmth which we needed the most. Jimin, oh, but it's tasty. Yoongi, then drink it. Jimin opened his mouth. Feed me, ah. Yoongi, why do I feed you? Jimin, because I'm the Prince of Busan, na. Yoongi hit on his head. Such a dramatic Jimny I got. Jimin started rubbing his head. Wee. Yoongi started feeding him and himself too. Jimin, what's in other spot? Yoongi opened the lid. More food for my little Jimny. Jimin, wow, this much food? Yoongi, now stop eating them by your eyes. Started feeding Jimin and himself too. Jimin, Yoon, I never eat this much tasty dishes before. Yoongi, because you never came here before. Jimin, that's true. Time skipped after some times. Yoongi went to wash his hands and our little Jimny was making bed with rose petals which fell on him when he jumped on the bed. Yoongi leaned on the wall. What are you doing? Jimin flinched hard and put his hand on his chest. Yoon, you made me scared. Yoongi, why are you scared? He is no one except us. By the way, why are you spreading rose petal on the bed? Jimin, because I like rose fragrance. Yoongi, then spread it only your side. Remove it from my side. Jimin, wee! Yoongi, because I don't like it. Jimin, but I like it na, and don't forget, we paid for it, so we shouldn't waste it. We should use it as much as we can. I never sleep on rose petals. I wanna experience it. Our middle class chimney, he doesn't know its meaning. Poor Yoongi. Yoongi in mind. Now how can I make him understand what's his meaning? He is so innocent, and how much happy and excited he looks to sleep on rose petals. If he is happy like this, then I shouldn't ruin his happiness. Let him happy and enjoy as much as he wants. Jimin, Yoon, come and let's sleep. Yoongi, stop shouting. I'm coming. He went on the bed and lay down on bed beside Jimin, who was busy in smelling rose fragrance. Jimin about to hug him. You're too slow, Yoon. I was waiting to cuddle you. Yoongi, you can't even sleep without me. About to hug him, but Jimin turned around. Jimin turned to other side. You are so mean. I will definitely not talk to you, Mini Yuni. Yoongi, why did you turn around? Don't you wanna cuddle me? Jimin, no, I don't wanna cuddle with Mini Yuni. I can sleep without cuddles too. Yoongi closed his eyes. Yeah, I know how much you sleep without cuddles. Time skipped at midnight. Yoongi was sleeping peacefully, whereas Jimin was only turning side. He couldn't sleep without cuddles, and now he got habitual of Yoongi's hug. He sat up and saw how peacefully Yoongi was sleeping, and we all know our little Jimny. Here's when Yoongi slept peacefully without him, so he sneaked under the blanket and lay down on Yoongi's chest and hugged him. But for his surprise, Yoongi pulled him more closer and hugged him more tightly. Jimin giggled. Yoongi closed eyes. Comfortable? Jimin pretended to sleep. Jimmy already slept. Yoongi patted his back. Sleep well, Jimmy. Yoongi's point of view. I can't believe what happened today. How can I imagine this little soft fluffy ball can dominate me? How stupid I am. He doesn't even know anything about intimacy, but his duality hit me so hard. I love his both this side, his this cute baby side make me feel so warm and comfortable. I wanna protect him and his innocence from anyone. He's so delicate, whereas his Minjimin side is totally opposite of his nature. It seems like two different persons live in one body. Minjimin made me so crazy. He made so well even without doing anything. He was looking so, I just want to ruin him. I want to devour every inch of his body. His perfect figure and tiny waist drive me so crazy. His soft and unmarked skin, his soft mooch like cheeks and plumpy soft lips. I want him always under me. I don't want to leave him at any cost. I want to love him every single night. Just he, me and our love. I still can't forget the scene where he was completely drenched in water and his clothes completely hugged his body. I can't believe he has such a perfect body. We lived together from so many months, but I never noticed his figure. How can this cute baby look like this much? Jimny's duality. If anyone understands, then please explain our cat too. I love his both of side and want him to. I want to spend my whole life with this cute chimney who is filled with full of life, but want to spend my every night with this Min Jimin. I can't hurt my chimney, but I won't spare Min Jimin. I won't show any mercy on him. When will that day come? I can't control myself anymore. Arthur, poor Jimny, who doesn't know how unholy thoughts his Yun has for him. He was busy sleeping after giving Yoongi a hard time. Time skipped in the morning. Yoongi was sleeping peacefully, but he felt water drops on his face, so he slowly opened his eyes, but the views made him eyes widened. He saw Jimin was hovering over him and water was dripping from his hairs. He was looking breathtaking, hot and cute at the same time. Yoongi closed his eyes and gulped hard to see him. In this cold, freezing environment, he was sweating like hell. If his husband is this much hot, then it's not his fault, na. Yoongi shook his head a little and said, Yoongi, sleepy voice, it's your dream, Yoongi. You again have bad dreams. He can't be your fluffy ball. Come out from that sleep. Yoongi was bubbling in sleep, thinking it was his dream, but Jimin touched his Adam's apple and a chilled shiver rained down towards his spine. Note, who doesn't know what's Adam's apple? Then it is a bump on our vocal cord. Everyone has that, but if you are chubby, then you can't see it. It's just like collarbones. Everyone has, but visible only in thin people. When you gulp anything, it moves in waves. I know you never noticed it. Me too never noticed it until I was see drama, love scenery. Jimin put his right index finger on his Adam's apple. Yun, what's this? It was moving. Touched his Adam's apple. Why don't I have this? Said while looking at Yoongi's Adam's apple like it is the most interesting thing of the world. Yoongi still closed his eyes. Don't do this, gulped hard. Jimin, but don't do this. I didn't even do anything. What happened to you, Yun? Now shook him hard. Yun! Yoongi finally opened his eyes. Yeah, what happened? And what are you doing here? Jimin touched his forehead. Yun, are you alright? Yoongi, yeah, I'm alright. What are you doing? See, water is dripping from your hairs. Go and dry it. Jimin, I was drying my hairs, but then I heard you were mumbling something in sleep, so I came here to check you. Yoongi, scared. What was I mumbling? Did you hear anything? Jimin, I didn't hear anything clearly, but you were saying I will make you Mine soon, Yoongi gulped hard. That's it, or you heard anything else? Jimin, I heard only this. And by the way, whom you made yours? Did you forget I'm yours and you are mine only? You aren't allowed to make anyone's yours. Did you understand? Over possessive Jimmy. Yoongi, calm down, my angry bird. You don't need to be jealous from anyone. I know this very well that I'm yours and you are mine. I won't cheat you. Jimin, that's good for you, and I don't jealous from anyone. It's just I don't want to share my things with others. Always remember this. Yoongi, okay, I will remember this. Now move from me. Why are you laying over me? Jimin, I told you na, I came here to check you. Yoongi, now I have woken up na. You can move now. Jimin, no, first tell me what's this. Again touched his Adam's apple. Yoongi felt chill shiver. It's called Adam's apple. Jimin, who Adam? And why do you have Adam's apple? Yoongi, Jimmy, how many science classes you skipped? Jimin, I don't remember the number. Cookie doesn't like science, so he often skipped the classes and I had to skip it too along with him. Now tell me what's Adam's apple? Yoongi, as expected, what else we expect from that bunny boy? Jimin shook him. Yon, where did you lost? Yoongi, first don't shout. The term Adam's apple likely comes from the Jewish Christian folk talk about Adam and Eve. According to ancient legend, God cursed an apple to become stuck in Adam's throat after he ate the forbidden fruit from the tree of knowledge. Understand? Now get up from me. Jimin shook his head vigorously. No! If God cursed to Adam, then how do you have Adam's apple? Said with confused face. Yoongi patted his head. Jimmy, you need to take rest to your bean-sized brain. Just understand that your voice comes from here, okay? Jimin, you have Adam's apple. Can we eat that? Yoongi smirked. Eat? Of course you can eat, but only others. Mentally slapped his dirty mind and unholy thoughts. Jimin, confused. But how can we eat it? Show me. Yoongi pushed him hard and he fell on the bed. Yoongi immediately ran to washroom because he doesn't want Jimin see him like this and ask thousands of questions. His little Jimmy again gave him hard time without doing anything. He kept touching his Adam's apple while laying on him. Poor Yoongi. Yoongi shouts while running. I will show you everything when right time comes. Jimin looked at him with confused eyes. Why did he push me so hard? And which right time he was talking about? Yoon became mad after coming here. I think here's coldness he can't handle. After all, cat doesn't like cold places, na. Anyways, let me get ready. I will take my revenge later. Arthur, now who gonna tell our innocent Jimmy that he was playing with fire? He was the reason of Yoongi's changing behavior. By the way, we are having so much fun to see our cat this much nervous. Right, guys? To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? What should Jimin call Bergen in his language, like Costa Rica to costly rice? Who suits Min Yoongi, Min Jimin or Little Jimmy? Arthur's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. Our little Jimmy gave our cat so many hard times. Tell me honestly, did you like it or not? I know you all loved it. Did you get butterflies in your tummy? It is just this starting. Slowly, whole soul will dance in your tummy. Have some patience. You will get everything which may be in your mind but never read it before. Just wait and watch. We are going somewhere to visit some unique places. Don't forget to tell me what should we call Bergen in Jimin's language. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.